What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be walking you through an oil change on a 2017 Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start the repair by opening the hood. Make your way to the front of the car, feel in the middle for the hood latch release, pull up, and prop the hood up. Once the hood's up, take off the oil cap and put that to the side. To do the oil change, all you need to do is jack up the front of the car. The jack points are located in 4 places on the pinch weld. Each jack point is indicated by an arrow located on the side skirts. Using your trim panel tool or clip remover, remove 3 clips holding the maintenance panel down. Once those 3 clips are removed, pull the panel down, revealing the oil pan drain plug and the oil filter. Using your 14mm socket, loosen the drain plug and drain the oil. To drain all the oil, it may take a couple minutes, so just be patient. When the oil starts to trickle, that's a good sign that all the oil is drained out. Reinstall the drain plug by hand first. Once it's threaded in by hand couple turns, tighten it down with your socket and your ratchet. For this repair, I am actually using a genuine Toyota oil filter cap. If you guys don't have one of these, you guys can find one on Amazon for fairly cheap, link in the description below. Install the oil filter cap on the oil filter and make sure it's snug. For this specific oil filter cap, we're going to be using a 24mm socket on a ratchet to remove the oil filter. Once it's loosened up enough, remove it by hand and let all the oil drain out. In this video, I'll be using the STP filter from AutoZone S10358. Remove the oil filter from the oil filter cap, then remove the oil filter O-ring using a pocket screwdriver or a pick. It's always a good idea to match up your new filter with the old one to make sure it's the correct filter. Drop that sucker in, push it down ensuring that it locks in place. Reinstall your new oil filter O-ring and lube it up with some old oil. By doing this, we'll prevent the new O-ring from snapping when reinstalling. Reinstall your oil filter cap with the oil filter and thread it in by hand to prevent cross-threading. Then tighten down with your socket and ratchet till it's snug. Once everything's buttoned up, take a can of brake clean and clean off all that leftover oil residue. By doing this, we'll get rid of all the leftover oil residue and not mistaking it as a leak. Next, reinstall those 3 clips holding the maintenance cover back up and make sure that maintenance cover is secured and not flopping around. Make your way to the top of the car and install a funnel where your oil cap was. In this video, I'm using the Lyle Corporation multi-app multi-purpose funnel. Lastly, take your 4.4 quarts of 0W20 oil and fill it up through the funnel. Once all the oil is filled up, remove the funnel and reinstall the oil cap. Don't leave just yet though, I still have to show you how to reset the maintenance light. Hop back in the car and without pressing the brake pedal, press the ignition twice so it's in the on position. Using the arrow keys on the right side of your steering wheel, scroll to the right and go to settings. Scroll down to maintenance and press the middle button. Then it'll ask you if maintenance initialized yes or no. Go to yes and press the middle button again. And then you guys are done. Congratulations guys, you now know how to do an oil change on a 2017 Toyota Prius. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!